Now, I'm no artist, but think of this video as a draw my life, but for animals. Hi, my name is Sharon, and I want to address a very controversial yet relative issue: animal testing. Dun dun dun. Animal testing happens pretty much all around the world. Yes, there are countries that are moving towards the animal free image and others that aren't. The United States, for one, does have animal protection acts like the Animal Welfare Act of 1966 in place. But that doesn't mean all animals are treated fairly. Well, that brings me to my issue. Should animal testing be legal? I say no. Animal testing should not be legal. So, why should animal testing not be legal? Well, for one, animal testing is unethical. Animals like rats, mice, monkeys, and many other animals are oftentimes trapped in a cage that's too small for them. According to the People for Ethical Treatment of Animals, also known as PETA, containing animals and isolating them causes animals to develop neurotic behaviors. Not only that, but animal testing is extremely expensive. Animal testing, for the most part, is funded by taxpayers' money. Annually, about $16 billion are taken out of taxes and used for animal testing. Lastly, animal testing results may not be accurate. The United States National Research Council published works that advocated for in vitro testing, which is testing in a test tube or a petri dish, and they showed that results are more predictable in humans than in vivo testing, which is testing on live test subjects like animals. The U.S. National Research Council concluded that testing in vitro was actually quicker and had more accurate results than testing research in vivo. But is animal testing all that bad? Although animal testing is unethical and may not be the most accurate way to do research, it has helped researchers develop many drugs that are used today. Some examples include Celebrex, which is used for arthritis, Lyrica, which is used for fibromyalgia, Crestor, which is used for high cholesterol, and Nexium, which is used for heartburn. But still, animal testing should not be legal. Some people may even think that in vitro testing can be unethical to humans. Actually, research won't be done necessarily on the human itself, but their cells instead. So, how are animals treated in laboratories? Well, here's one example. Meet Nellie, a beagle who was rescued from a laboratory in Florida. Nellie was a laboratory animal who was used as a test subject for years. Nellie was sold, abandoned, and even shot before she was rescued. Rescuers found Nellie almost dead, with two other beagles with her that already died. Nellie was also found with a large tumor growing on her leg. The laboratory she was kept at left the tumor untreated for years. If Nellie was rescued from the laboratory in Florida any later, it might have been too late. Nellie could have died due to the injuries she had from the laboratory. Let us stop making animal testing legal and make the future for these animals a happier one. So what can we do now? First, we can buy and support cruelty-free brands such as Avita, The Body Shop, or even Anastasia Beverly Hills. Second, we can be aware and spread awareness about animal testing to others. Third, we can sign petitions to make sure laboratories are constantly being checked to make sure they are following these guidelines of the Animal Welfare Act of 1966. PETA is one of the organizations that are actively bringing awareness and bringing change to animal cruelty in laboratories. change to completely eliminate animal testing will take at least 10 to 20 years. But we can start now.